Let's meet and greet the contestants from Miss Africa USA.
Hello everyone, my name is Nobutula. I'm representing South Africa.
Hello, salam, Yananta Rohama. My name is Rama, Miss Ethiopia.
Hello, Makadini. My name is Grace Mkombe and I'm representing Zimbabwe.
Onjarama, Wonwali. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fatmata C, Miss Guinea.
Bonsoir, Miss Cameroon.
Botenabino, Miss DRC.
Bonsoir, Madame, Mademoiselles et Messieurs. Nangendef Sénégal, Miss Sénégal.
Bonsoir, Ganji Ganji, Miss Benin.
Woniwali, my name is Vinci Karoma and I'm representing Miss Sierra Leone.
Hola, mis amigos. Hello, my friends. I'm Juliana, representing the Republic of Angola.
Jumbo, Assalamu alaikum. Fozia Mohammed, representing the Republic of Kenya.
Bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. Bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. I'm Kulugu representing Burkina Faso.
Dimelang, my name is Ntabiseng Bakanyani, representing the Kingdom of Lesotho.
Anyway, my name is Grace Bezero, representing Rwanda.
Khali Gambia Nangende, my thing Miss Omi Garba, Miss Gambia.
Salam, my name is Rahma and I'm representing the beautiful country of Mauritania.
Memamwachio, Midindi Ekwa, Miss Ghana.
Mwatokelwapo, my name is Fina Shuweda, representing my beautiful country, Namibia.
Habari Gani, my name is Aisha Kamara, representing the beautiful Tanzania.
Salam, my name is Ija Majus, representing the world's youngest nation, the Republic of South Sudan.
Congo Mbote, my name is Maivai Kias, Miss Congo Brazzaville.
Ndewano. Good evening, my name is Frances Onyemechi Uduku and I am Miss Nigeria.
Bonsoir, Akwaba. My name is Orly Diawe and I'm representing the land of sweet cocoa. I am Miss Côte d'Ivoire.
Give yourselves a hand, ladies.